Welcome to day 2 of Identifying Reasons. Our standard for today is RI 3.8 with prompting and support. Identify the reasons an author gives to support points in a text. Today we are using the book America's Champion Swimmer, and we have already read and discussed this book, but today we are going to talk about the author's reasons for putting information in this book. So remember, authors give reasons to explain important ideas. When you find reasons in a text, it can help you understand the important ideas better. So we are going to revisit this book, America's Champion Swimmer. On page 5, it says, Gertrude Ederle's place was in the water. Remember, her full name is Gertrude Ederle, but we just call her Trudy, her nickname. So it says, Trudy's place was in the water. Place means where someone does their best at something. So Trudy's place was in the water because she performed at her best when she was swimming in the water. So now we are going to find the author's reasons for saying this information, that Trudy's place was in the water. So we are going to go to page 8. What is a reason that tells why Trudy's place was in the water? I'm going to model this for you today, so then the rest of the week you can work to solve this. Okay, so it says, she loved to swim. That tells why her place was in the water. She loved to swim, so that's why her place was in the water. Down here, I see at 15, Trudy won her first big race. Wow, she was only 15 years old when she won her first big race. So if Trudy's winning races while swimming, that tells me she really does belong in the water. We are going to go to page 11 now. Trudy won 3 medals at the games in Paris. Wow. So she won 3 medals in the Olympic Games. Does that tell me more about why her place is in the water? I think so, because it shows that she is a great swimmer. If she is winning Olympic medals, that means she's one of the best swimmers in the whole world. So that shows me that her place really is in the water. So now I'm going to model how to answer this page. So the important idea is that Trudy's place is in the water. So we are going to circle the reasons that support this idea. Reason 1, she loved to swim. Does that support the idea that Trudy belongs in the water? Yeah, if she belongs in the water, if she loves to swim, then she should belong in the water. Okay, the next reason says that she won a race at age 15. Is that a reason that she should belong in the water, that she does her best in the water? Yep. So that's one of them as well. And then look at this last reason. She won 3 Olympic medals. If someone wins 3 Olympic medals for swimming, do you think that means that they belong in the water? They do their best in the water? Yes. So all 3 of these reasons support the author's important idea that Trudy belongs in the water. So I was just modeling this for you today, so you do not need to respond to this. Tomorrow there is going to be a quiz where you can respond as well. Have a great day.